Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy, I'm MonkeyMan12. Today, we're probably going to do a bike riding video, but not right now because I don't want to right now because I have to go make some money. I will be doing a video later today. So, guys, hey, I'm just going to do a video. Please subscribe, leave a like. Okay, peace out.